Hi, my friend. You're warm welcome for today's session. Today, I'm going to take you through on the concept of even, odd, and prime numbers. First of all, let us start with even numbers. What does it mean by the term even numbers? Even numbers are all natural numbers which are divisible by 2 without a remainder. Now, let us see the example. If even numbers are the natural numbers which are divisible by 2 without a remainder, it means that an example of even numbers are 2. These I'm going to deal with even numbers. So examples of even numbers, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, etc. As I have said that all natural numbers which are divisible by 2 without a remainder. Now you may see 2 is divisible by 2, we get 1. If we take 4 over 2, you get 2. 6 over 2, you get 3. 8 over 2, you get 4, and whatever. So all natural numbers which are divisible by 2 without a remainder are known as even numbers. After the concept of even numbers, let us see odd numbers. What are odd numbers? We say simply, odd numbers are the natural numbers which are not divisible by 2. It means that when you divide them by 2, you get a remainder. The remainder becomes 1. So, as I've said, if odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2 completely, it means that odd numbers, examples of odd numbers are like, odd numbers we have 1, we have 3, all of these are not divisible by 2. We have 5, we have 7, we have 9, we have 11, we have 13, we have 15, we have 17, and etc. They are men. Now, this is all about odd numbers. After the concept of even and odd numbers, let us finish with the concept of prime numbers. What does it mean by the term prime numbers? Simply we say, a prime number is any natural number except 1, which is divisible by itself and 1. So, a prime number is the number which is divisible only by itself and 1. Let us see examples of prime numbers. Examples of prime numbers are Prime numbers start with 2. So, prime number starts with 2. Now, 2 is a prime number because it is divisible by only 1 and 2 only. So, by itself and 1. Now, the next possible prime number is 3. The next one is 5, 7. Now, 9 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 1, by itself, and by 3. So, it has violated the rule. If it would not be divisible by 3, it could be included among the list of prime numbers. But as 9 is divisible by 3, it means that it is not a prime number. Our next prime number in sequence here, it becomes 11. 11. After 11, we have 13. After 13, we have 17, and etc. So these are first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are first 7 possible prime numbers from the list one. So after this elaboration of numbers, I mean even numbers, odd numbers, and prime numbers, I hope you have understood well the lesson. I take this chance to thank you for today's session. Have a nice moment. Goodbye.